Hello students, today we are going to see experiment 1B, that is simulation of astable multivibrator. Okay. For the simulation we need Orchid 7.2 light edition software, and there we need the components 555 DIC, that is astable multivibrator IC, then resistors, capacitors, 3 resistors, 2 capacitors, and one source, that is a DC voltage, and 3 ground connections. First, how we have to start is we have to select the archive. Then there we have to create a new project by clicking file, new project, then enter the project name, and we have to select analog or mixed AD. Then we have to click the place part. There we can select the components which and all we need. So all the given components need to be selected, and all the components should be connected by using wires. After that we have to give all the values for resistors, capacitors, and supply everything. Then we have to place the probes. One is at input level, another one is at output level to get the waveforms. Then we have to click save. After saving that, we have to create new simulation profile with analysis type, the time domain, transient, and the run to time, step size. These are the things we have to give. For this experiment, run time is 10 millisecond and the step size is 0.01 millisecond. After doing that, we can save and run the simulation. We will be getting the waveforms. Okay. This is the circuit. This is 555D IC. 3 resistors, 2 capacitors, 1 VDC, then 3 ground connections. Okay. Here only we have given the value 6.8K, 3.3K, 100K, 0.01 microfarad, 0.1 microfarad, 5 volt. After giving everything, the given all this procedure need to be followed. If we simulate, we will get this waveform. This waveform we will get. Now we will see the simulation. Go to Arcade Family Release. CIS Light Edition. File, new project. I am going to do 1B astable. Create a blank project. Okay. So I'm going to choose 555 IC from Evil. Then I need 3 resistors from analog. One is here, here, another one here. This I need to rotate. Then 2 capacitor. And we need to rotate this. Then DC voltage. Then ground connection. Ground. We have to choose this. We should make this 0. Okay. Here one ground. Another ground here. Another ground. Then we'll connect all the components using wire. fourth pin and the eighth pin we should short. Second, this is fourth pin, this is second pin, fourth pin, then fifth pin, sixth pin, this is seventh pin. So fourth and eighth I am going to short. Then this R1 resistor, it should be between seventh pin and eighth pin. Then second pin and the sixth pin we should short. Then this R2 resistor, it should be connected between second pin and seventh pin. Then this capacitor, it should be connected between sixth pin and ground. So first pin we will connect to the ground. With that we can connect here ground. So this capacitor is connected between sixth pin and ground. Then another capacitor, this should be connected between fifth pin and ground. Then this resistor. Now all connections are over, we can change the values. This is 5 volt power supply, this is 3.3k resistor, this is 6.8k resistor, this is 0.01 microfarad capacitor, this is 0.1. This is 0.01 microfarad. It's 100k. Okay, all connections are over. Now this voltage level marker. We will get two waveforms. One is across capacitor, another one from the output pin, that is third pin. After that we need to save it. Then go to PSpice, new simulation profile, our file name 1b, stable, create. It will give 10 millisecond, here 0.01 millisecond. Apply, okay. Then you can run it. This is your output waveform. Square wave, this is from 6th pin, and capacitor waveform, this is from 6th pin across the capacitor. Thank you.